Wait.
Today's video is gonna be about remote control cars. I know we made a video today, but I want to make another one. It's gonna be all the way over there and then back. Remember, you have to follow this. Okay. Ready, set, go. Wait. Look at what I can do. Look what I can do. Wait, I need to go faster. Look at this. Look at that. Oh, wait. I could do it better, but let me see if I can do it. Look at it. Look at it. Wait. See? Look at my brother. Look at my brother. Is to go in the curve. No, but here's the curve.
You know why this thing goes?
Doesn't look no more. Yes, it does. Look, it's supposed to be close. Oh, because of this. Look at this. Sorry. I'm just gonna be using his. This is good under this.
Try yours.
Okay. No, don't crash. I can't. Oh, it's so bad.
Go fast, Noah. Go follow it. Come on. One, two.
Like I'm saying, these things are expensive. My uncle bought it for me for Christmas. The Jeep is my brother's and the Ferrari is mine. No, it's a Ford. What am I talking about, a Jeep? A Ford? Ford monster truck. And mine is a Ferrari. My uncle paid $60 for mine and $40 for this one. Oh, look at that. I She's the camera girl. It might not be looking at the cars. Now we're gonna do another way. Come on, lane yours. Lane yours. Come on, we're gonna put them. Now we're gonna do another way. You need to keep following. Come on, Noah. Come on, Noah, we're gonna do another race.
Yeah, we're gonna do another race, Noah. That one, the black one's funny. It goes backwards.
I'm gonna be turning circles and moving.
He comes over here.
Okay, we're gonna do a race all the way over there, and this is gonna be our last thing. All the way over there. Our last thing. Ready, set, go. Wait, sorry. Come on.
Come on, guys, get the cars.
Sorry, there's a car.
Sorry, there's a car, and we just stopped.
Okay, that's all. The end.